Okay, good morning, students.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm
Yeah, okay. Uh, it's still not yet wake up from sleep, I think. Yeah. Let's once more. Yeah. How are you today? Okay, good job. Ya. Jadi lebih semangat tadi. Okay. So, I'm happy to see you again today. Ya. I hope you are doing great until today. Jadi kita bertemu lagi ya di pelajaran bahasa Inggris. Paraka senang sekali bisa bertemu dengan kalian pada hari. Ya, ini adalah pembelajaran kesekian kalinya. So, before I start, who is absent here? I see it's not complete. Diva is absent today. Okay, yeah, I hope she is well. Yeah, there's nothing happened to her. Yeah, so just like usual. Yeah, I want the captain to lead here first. Silakan disiapkan dulu sebelum mulai pembelajaran. Silakan.
Please stand up. So before we are going to start our visit today, let's pray together. Time to pray. Start. Finish. Thank you. Sit down.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. So, yeah, just like usual, I will ask you about something before we start our lesson. Yeah, to remind you about our last lesson. Did you still remember? Anybody still remember? Yeah, Nadia. Okay, wait a minute. I got a magic wand here. Yeah. So I won't forget again today. So it will increase my confidence and yours. Yeah, of course. So Nadia, what did we do last meeting?
Study about present perfect tense.
Okay, study about present perfect tense. Okay, anybody still remember? What is the formula of present perfect tense? Anybody? Okay, Rizky? Yeah,
Subject
subject
plus auxiliary
plus auxiliary.
plus past participle.
Okay, good job. Yeah, past participle. Subject plus auxiliary. The auxiliary is have or has. Yeah, and past participle, or you can call it verb 3. Yeah, usually we have verb 3 as past participle in present perfect tense. Ya, jadi itu adalah topik kita minggu lalu. Nah, masih berkaitan dengan topik kita minggu lalu, we will continue our next topic, ya, the chapter 7. Ya, in chapter 7, we will learn about a text, one kind of text. Ya, we will learn about narrative text. Ya, but before that, I want to ask you, ya, when you were a child, ketika kalian masih kecil, ya, did your parents tell you a story?
Yes.
Ya, pernah menceritakan ya, orang tuanya pernah bercerita dongeng gitu ya. Oh, Dava, your parents have never told you a story. Why? Why? What kind of story?
I don't know why.
Okay. Okay, maybe Dava parents read them a news, yeah, like yeah, economical or maybe political news. Because I think he is smart today because yeah, maybe her parents told him any news, recent news like war, economy, politics. So it's different from all of us, but it's okay. Yeah, it increase our reading motivation also. Yeah. Okay, go back to the stories. What stories do you like the most? What story do you like the most? Alisa? Snow White. Okay. Why do you like Snow White?
I don't know, like it's just very imaginary. I
Okay.
guess.
Yeah, it's like yeah, it's girly story, I think, Snow
Yeah.
White. Everybody want like the princess, yeah? Princess meeting a prince. Yeah, okay, I see. And who else? Farhan. Or Rangga maybe. Rangga. What stories do you like the most?
Malin Kundang
Malin Kundang. Why do you like it?
Because the story is unique.
Okay, the story is unique.
Yes.
Yeah, the story tells you not to be there to your mother, ya, or your parents, supaya tidak durhaka kepada orang tua. Seperti itu ya. Mungkin ada pesan moralnya sehingga Rangga menyukainya. Ya, oke. So there are lots of stories that we may have ever heard. Mungkin banyak sekali cerita yang kita pernah dengar ya. Salah satunya tadi Snow White, apa lagi? Malin Kundang, and who can add one more? Ya, Ardita?
Sangkuriang.
Oke, ya Sangkuriang. I just remember Sangkuriang. Ya, one of legend Sangkuriang. Ya, jadi cerita-cerita tadi ada Snow White, Malin Kundang, and also Sangkuriang. It's kind of narrative text. Ya, jadi kalian menyadari atau tidak sebetulnya dongeng yang dibacakan orang tua atau yang kalian pernah baca itu adalah narrative text. So this is what we are going to learn today. Ya, nah selanjutnya sebelum kita mempelajari lebih jauh tentang narrative text, I want you to know the learning objectives. Jadi tujuan pembelajaran kita pada hari ini. Okay, let's see here. The learning objectives. Ya. Jadi pada tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini, ya, kalian akan membaca e-book narrative text yang akan Paraka berikan, sehingga nanti kalian bisa menganalisis sendiri secara mandiri fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan dari teks naratif lisan, ya, berbentuk fairy tales, ya, pendek dan sederhana dengan tepat. Yang kedua, melalui contoh teks naratif, nanti kalian bisa menyusun paragraf acak. Ya, jadi kalian nanti diberikan paragraf acak, kemudian mampu menyusun dengan urutan yang benar. Jadi ini adalah tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini, ya. Kemudian, ya, like usual, ya, I think you will like it. Before we go to the main activity, we will do ice breaking. Yeah, okay, we will do ice breaking. It's ice breaking time. Okay. Nah, we'll do something amazing today, ya. We will do something amazing today, ya. Jadi, kenapa kok luar biasa? It's different from before, ya. You will stay still in your chair, but you will do some following things. Kalian akan melakukan beberapa hal ini. Jadi, Paraka akan menyebutkan angka nanti, 1, 2, or 3, and it will have different gestures. For example, if I mention 1, yeah, for example, 1, you have, no, not direct 2, but if I say 1, you have 1 clap, and zoo, okay, yeah, it's written who, but it's better if we do it zoo, okay, okay. 1, 2. Okay, good. Now, if I mention 2, you will have 2 claps. And yes. Yeah. Okay, let's try. 2. Yes. Okay, good job. If I say 3, yeah, we clap 3 times. And cool. Yeah, we have a cool pose. Yeah, do the best, ya. Lakukan pose terbaik kalian. Yang merasa keren silahkan berpose terbaik. Okay, and I will combine it. Ya, try to remember the numbers. Okay, can you do it? Okay, let's try once more. Ya, you can take a pic from the slides. Kalian bisa melihat di sini. Ya, okay, we will try one by one again. 1, 2, okay, 2. Yes. Okay. 3. Good. Yeah, good job. Again, I will combine it. Okay. 1, 2. All right. Don't look at me. Look at here. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2. 2. Yes. Okay. 1, 3. 2. Good. Okay. Good job. Next. 1, 1, 2. 2. 2. Yes. Okay. 1, 1, 3. Zoo. Zoo. Good. Yeah, I forgot one claim. Again, the last one. 1, 2, 3. Zoo. Yes. Cool. Okay, good job. How about it? Yeah, have you wake up already? Already? Good job. Yeah. Okay. Next time we will do it. Ya. Nah, sekarang kita lanjutkan dulu. We'll go the main activity. Now I want you to move ya to your group from a group. Ya, silakan kalian membentuk kelompok ya berhadapan-hadapan. You can move the chair around. The first one you can use this just like usual ya. Silakan yang di depan bisa menarik di sini. Ya. Untuk grup ini silakan bisa di pojok situ. Kemudian grup 2 you can do it here ya. Just flip the chair here ya. And group 3 you can do over there ya. Oke. Silakan membentuk kelompoknya. Oke. Dan bisa diangkat kursinya. Okay, yeah, you have already gathered with your groups, and I have already distributed the worksheet or LKPD. Paraka sudah membagikannya ya. Jadi you can open the third page, halaman 3, and you will see some pictures. Ya, it is the same one like this. Ya, Paraka memberikan gambar yang ada di LKPD kalian. I give you 2 minutes. Try to think, see the picture and discuss with your groups what is the picture about, and what story is it. Okay, 2 minutes from now. Okay. Just think first. Jadi silakan didiskusikan dulu. You can discuss first all the question. Ya, nanti baru menulis. Ya. Okay. Okay. Okay, 1 more minute. It's okay. Yeah. Just discuss with your group. Yeah. Okay, time is up. Yeah, it's okay. I just want you to take a look at the picture and we will try to share our thoughts. Jadi kita akan berbagi pengetahuan kita bersama tentang apa gambar itu. Ya, okay. Now, please pay attention. Yeah, to me. Yeah, okay. Already. Now, is anybody know what is the picture about? What is in your mind when you see the picture? Yeah? Fairy tale story. Good. Yeah. Anyone else? Story of Snow White. Yeah. Story of Snow White. And then, Alisa, maybe you can mention what kind of picture is it? When you see the picture?
Pick one, I see princess with a witch, and
Okay.
the second picture is princess with a prince and seven dwarf.
Okay. There is a prince, witch, and seven dwarfs. Okay. Yeah, good. Yeah. And somebody or some of you mentioned it's Snow White, story of Snow White, fairy tales, and then the characters. Yeah. Okay. Ilham. Yeah. What any other characters or the main character of the story? What do you think? Is the witch? Okay.
Witch, dwarf, and prince.
Okay, there is a prince also. Yeah. And what do you think is the main character, Ilham? What do you think? The main character, karakter utamanya siapa kira-kira?
Snow White.
Okay, Snow White. Ya. Apakah kira-kira The Witch include the main character? Apakah The Witch main character juga? Bukan ya. Karena biasanya Witch itu karakternya antagonis. Ya, jadi bukan, rasanya kok aneh kalau jadi main character. Ya. Oke, anybody knows what happened to the main character? What happened to the main character? Ada yang tahu? Farhan? What happened to the main character?
Okay. Yes, it's dying.
She's dying.
After eat a poison apple.
Okay, so the witch gave her an apple and she's dying. Okay, yeah, I see. Yeah, I have ever heard some story like that. Yeah, but it may be told us like that, but maybe different. Yeah, we have a lot of story about Snow White. Yeah, but today it can be different. It will be different this time. Okay, now I want you to move to the next page. Halaman berikutnya, halaman ke-3. Nah, okay. Have you found the fourth page already? Okay. Now, I will also give you pieces of paper here. Ya, Paraka akan memberikan potongan-potongan kertas di sini, ya. Berisikan paragraf-paragraf acak tentang teks yang akan kita pelajari hari ini. One kind of narrative text. Ya, each group will have one. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You are welcome. Oke, jadi Paraka sudah memberikan potongan-potongan kertas yang acak. Your job is to rearrange. Ya, silakan diurutkan dan didiskusikan bersama kelompoknya. Paraka berikan waktu 5 menit. I give you 5 minutes to discuss with your group. Ya. Yeah, you just stick it with the glue and put them on the paper, on the worksheet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Ya, silakan bisa ditempelkan. Ya. Okay, I see that you have already find the sequence atau urutannya. Ya. Okay, good. Good job. Ya. How about Ilham's group? Sudah urutannya sudah benar itu?
Yes.
Okay.
Sentence.
Okay, make sure that it is correct already, yeah?
Yes.
Because you cannot put off the paper after you stick it with the glue. Yeah? Okay. Dava's group? Is it already fixed? Okay. Why do you think this one should be at the first paragraph? What do you think? Is there any reason? Okay, because once upon a time, there is once upon a time. Okay, so you think that is the first paragraph. Okay, good job. Yeah. Okay, Peter's group, how about it? Is there any difficulties, Peter? Okay, good. Yeah, just stick it. You can do it permanently. Okay, 1 more minute. Because I see that all of you have already done a good job. Hanya satu. Oke. Oke, time is up. Ya, waktunya sudah habis. Have you already finished sticking the papers?
Yes.
Already ya? Okay. Now it's time to present. I want some groups or somebody to present their findings. Yeah. Okay. Who want to do it first? Peter? Okay. Okay. You can do it over there. Ya. Bisa dilakukan di situ aja. Okay. So what do you think? From this sequence dari urutan ini, kira-kira bagaimana urutan yang tepat? Nomornya kamu bisa bacakan langsung.
Okay. The correct order of this jumbled paragraph of the story is 3,
3,
1, then
okay. 1, 3,
3, 1,
and then
3, 1,
okay.
then 7, 6,
Mhm.
and 5, 2, and 4.
Okay, so first you do one. One
3
day
first.
she heard, is it correct? One day she heard her uncle and aunt talking. Is that the first paragraph? Okay.
Yes, the first paragraph is 1.
Okay, so that is your answer. And then after number 1,
3,
3. Once upon a time, there lived a little girl. Okay, and then next,
7,
7. Snow White didn't want her uncle and aunt. Okay, so this one, the third one. Next.
next 6.
Oh, number 6. Okay. Wait. Number 6 is, then she saw a little cottage. She knocked, but no one answered. Okay. And then next.
5.
5. Meanwhile, the 7 dwarfs were coming home from work. Okay. Yeah. Next.
2.
Wait. There's some problem here. Yeah. Number 2. Then Snow White woke up. Is that right?
Yes.
And the last one?
4.
4. Finally, Snow White told the dwarfs the whole story. Okay. So that is the sequence of Peter group's finding. Is there any problems with that? Yeah, Nadia? Wait a minute. I will take the one first. Okay.
I think the Peters group have a wrong sequence because the first sequence of the story is 3, not 1.
Oh, the third one, once upon a time, should be the first paragraph.
Yes.
Okay. And then following by
One day she
one
heard.
day. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Nadia. I think it's better. Yeah, thank you. It's great job. So, Peter, yeah, I think, yeah, Nadia's answer is more better, but most of your answer is also correct. Ya, jadi hanya kurang sedikit saja, hanya paragraf 1 dan 2 tertukar. Okay, all of you, do you have the same answer with Nadia's? Okay, good job. Let's take a look. Ya, Jadi urutan yang benar itu adalah once upon a time dulu, nomor 3. Kemudian one day, number 1. Kemudian after that, number 7. Number 6, 5, 2, and 4. Okay. Yeah. So it's easy, right? Okay. Now, I will try to read the story sentence by sentence, and please follow after me. Ya, kita membaca bersama-sama. Okay, ready? Ya. Once upon a time, there lived a little girl named Snow White. She lived with her aunt and uncle because her parents were dead.
Because her parents were dead.
One day,
One day,
she heard her uncle and aunt
she heard an uncle and aunt
talking about leaving
talking about leaving
Snow White in the castle
Snow
White in the castle
because they both wanted
because they both wanted
to go to America
to go to America
and they didn't have enough money
and they didn't have enough money
to take Snow White.
to take Snow White.
Snow White didn't want her uncle and aunt
Snow White didn't want her aunt
to do this,
to do this,
so she decided
so she decided
it would be best
it would be best
if she ran away.
if she ran away.
The next morning,
The next morning,
she ran away from home.
she ran away from home.
When her aunt and uncle were having breakfast,
When her aunt and uncle were
Having
breakfast,
she ran away into the woods.
she ran away into the woods.
Then
Then
she saw a little cottage.
she saw a little cottage.
She knocked, but no one answered.
She knocked on an answer.
So she went inside
So she went inside
and fell asleep.
and fell asleep.
Meanwhile,
Meanwhile,
the 7 dwarfs
the second dwarfs
were coming home from work.
were coming home from work.
They went inside.
They went inside.
There they found Snow White sleeping.
There they found Snow White sleeping.
Then
Then
Snow White woke up.
Snow White woke up.
She saw the dwarfs.
She saw the dwarf.
The dwarf said,
The dwarf said,
"What is your name?"
"What is your name?"
Snow White said,
Snow White said,
"My name is Snow White."
"My name is Snow."
Dog,
The
one of the dwarfs said,
one of the dwarfs said,
"If you wish,
"If you wish,
you may live here with us."
you may live here with us."
Snow White said,
Snow White said,
"Oh, could I?
"Oh, could I?
Thank you."
Thank you."
Finally,
Finally,
Snow White told the dwarfs
Snow White told the dwarf
the whole story.
the whole story.
And Snow White
And Snow White
and the 7 dwarfs
and the seven dwarfs
lived happily ever after.
lived happily ever after.
Okay, it's a good story actually. Yeah. Maybe your parents would have already told you at bedtime story, but you forgot. Kalian mungkin waktu masih kecil pernah diceritani, tapi lupa. Just like my children, yeah, when he was about like 2 years old, yeah, I told him every day a story. But now he was like 5 years old, and I asked him, "Did you still remember the story I have ever told to you?" "No, Dad, I forgot." Ya, mungkin karena ingatannya anak kecil, jadi memorinya masih belum ada. Ya, but hopefully he will remember someday. Ya, oke. Jadi itu adalah urutan tentang ceritanya. Judulnya apa tadi? What is the title?
Snow White.
Okay, good job. Snow White. Okay, is that any question? Is there any question?
No, sir.
Yeah, it's very interesting, right? Okay, now we will do Next activity, yeah, you can use your phone to do this activity. You can open page 5, the next page. Silakan dibuka halaman selanjutnya, ya. Di situ Pak Raka sudah menyediakan QR code, ya. Nah, oke, QR code. Silakan di-scan. You can scan the QR code and you will find ebook. Ya, Pak Raka sudah menyediakan sumber belajar melalui ebook. Kalian silakan mencari untuk jawaban atau materi-materi yang ditanyakan di dalamnya, di dalam ebook tersebut secara mandiri. Oke, can you do it? Can you do it, students?
Yeah.
Okay, I give you like 10 minutes. Please now.
To entertain or amuse the reader.
Okay, if you have any question, you can ask. Sudah melihat di e-booknya?
Yes.
Okay.
Already.
Social function to entertain. The amuse should be 1M, using 1M.
1M.
Amuse.
Oh,
Yeah.
fine.
Okay, to entertain or amuse readers. Okay, good job. Anything else? Okay, good. Yeah. Alisa, is there any question? No? The ebook, have you already read them? Okay, yeah. Every answer is over there if you want to read them, and you will find the answer. Okay? Yeah. Welcome. Okay. Is there any question? Okay, I think you are very clever. You have already finished, almost finished. Okay, I see. Yeah. Yeah, Peter. Any question? Okay. Don't forget you will present later, yeah?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Rafa, any question? How about your social function? Can you read them?
To entertain the reader with an imaginary, fantastic characters and stories, and to amuse the readers with fictional stuff.
Okay, yeah, to entertain. That is the key. Yeah, social function of narrative text. And the first paragraph, what is it? The generic structure?
Orientation.
Okay, yeah. And language features complete already, yeah. Okay, good job. Yeah. If you found a difficult words, yeah, some difficult words in the text, you can ask me, ya. Jangan sungkan untuk bertanya. Or maybe you can use Google Translate, but sometimes it's out of the context. Konteksnya biasanya nggak sama dengan yang kita temukan di dalam teks. Do you know what is knocked? Knock. Yeah, knocking the door. Yeah. Okay.
She went kan betul.
Okay. Rizky,
Yes, sir.
is there any question? You can ask me. Don't ask your friend.
No, sir. I have already finished.
Oh, already finished. Let me take a look. Okay. Yeah. To entertain the readers. Yeah. To entertain. Is this A or O?
And
Enter
hey,
A, yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm
Yeah.
writing.
Okay, Snow White. Complication. Yeah. Is there any difficult words you want to ask?
Mm,
Do you know what is cottage? Cottage?
what is what is that, sir?
What is it?
Yes.
What is cottage? What do you think?
Rumah kayu.
Okay, yeah, almost correct. Do you know gubuk?
Yes.
It's usually like Papua's house, like
Oh.
using it's not different from
What is
our regular house.
apa namanya? Bonai. Oh ya, bonai.
Ya, jadi ada
Hanoi.
jeraminya biasanya.
Hani. Bonai.
What is it?
Like the house that have in Papua is
Okay.
have a name Hani. Honai. I mean Honai, sir.
Oh, it's
Traditional home.
oh, I just know that the house has a name.
Yes.
Yeah. What is it called?
Honai.
Honai. Oh, bukan Hani ya. Hani. Okay, Honai. Yeah, it's almost like that, but it's bigger. Yeah, and yeah, I think the same one. Karena zaman dahulu kan memang rumah apa namanya kurcaci itu kan kecil ya. Dwarfs is small, so the house is not too tall, tidak terlalu tinggi seperti rumah-rumah orang biasanya. Okay, so that is cottage. Yeah, okay, good job. Yeah, welcome. Okay, Claudius, is there any difficult words you find? No? Do you know the meaning of meanwhile? This one, meanwhile. Yeah. Yeah, you can try to describe what is meanwhile.
Di sisi lain.
Di sisi lain. Oke, bisa juga. Atau ya meanwhile itu ketika. Ya. Ya, atau pada ada hal yang terjadi kemudian ada hal lain yang bersamaan. Meanwhile. Ya. Oke. Yeah, is there any other difficult words? What is it?
What is dog?
Oh, dog is the name of the dwarfs. Look at this. Dog, comma, it means the name of the bird. Dog, one of the dwarfs. Di sini jelaskan ya. Misalkan Peter, koma, salah satu siswa di kelas 9. Nah, so it's like that. Okay. Yeah. Anything else? Already? Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, 3 more minutes. 3 menit lagi. Kenapa? Is there any difficult words over there? Ada kata-kata sulit nggak yang belum dipahami? Do you know the meaning of meanwhile? Some of you, one of you can explain what is meanwhile. Ya?
Sedangkan.
Oke, bisa juga sedangkan, kemudian ketika. At least you can imagine meanwhile is there is one activity happen and another activity happen at the same time. Jadi ada dua kegiatan yang berlangsung pada hal yang sama. Di sini dijelaskan ketika si Snow White fell asleep, tidur. Nah, dwarfs datang. The dwarfs come home. Ya, jadi datang apa namanya? Masuk ke rumahnya. Kaget. Nggak tahu kaget atau tidak dijelaskan di sini. Okay, I think so. Yeah. Anything else? No? Wait, good job. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Is everyone finished doing the assignment already ya? Sudah selesai semua? Nah, now I want you to present. Yeah, of course. Ya, you have to present your findings, temuan kalian. Tadi kan kalian sudah mencari sendiri secara mandiri, ya. Now I want you to present what you have already found, ya, by grouping. Nanti berkelompok, maaf, berkelompok. Silakan ke depan untuk mempresentasikan temuan kalian. Who wants to do it first? Okay, Rizky. I think you will try to present the meaning. Yeah. Yeah, try to retell first. Retell the story. Okay. All of the groups member. Silakan semua anggota kelompok ke depan. Of course, just like how you present usually.
Good morning, everyone. So, we are going to tell the story, but with bahasa Indonesia. Before we will to retell the story, we want to explain ourselves. My name is Muhammad Rizky.
Okay, I'll move. Okay, you can go a little bit, move a little bit. Yeah. Okay.
Ulang, Pak.
Yeah. Please repeat again.
Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Morning.
So we are going to retell the story, but with in bahasa Indonesia. Before we gonna to start, we want to explain ourselves. First, my name is Muhammad Rizky.
My name Muhammad Ilham Kurniawan.
My name Arteta Hani.
My name Floren Putri.
Nah, jadi judul cerita adalah Snow White atau Putri Salju. Pada suatu ketika, hiduplah sebuah gadis kecil yang bernama Snow White. Dia tinggal bersama om dan tantenya karena orang tuanya telah meninggal. Pada suatu hari, dia mendengar bahwa omnya dan tantenya berbicara bahwa ingin meninggalkan Snow White di castle karena mereka ingin pergi ke Amerika, tapi mereka tidak punya cukup uang untuk membawa Snow White juga. Nah, Snow White-nya itu nggak mau. Tante dan omnya itu memutuskan hal itu. Jadi, dia kepikiran bahwa lari adalah salah satu cara terbaik. Kemudian, besok paginya, dia pergi dari rumah saat om dan tantenya lagi makan sarapan. Dia pergi ke hutan. Kemudian, dia melihat sebuah rumah kayu kecil. Dia ngetok rumah itu. Kemudian nggak ada yang jawab. Terus dia langsung buat masuk ke rumahnya dan ketiduran. Sementara itu, para 7 kurcaci datang ke rumah setelah bekerja. Mereka pergi ke dalam dan mereka menemukan Snow White lagi turu. Lagi tidur.
Ya.
Oke. Kemudian Snow White bangun. Terus dia berbicara ke kurcaci. Kurcaci bilang,
What's your name?
My name is Snow White.
kemudian salah satu dari kurcaci tersebut berbicara.
If you wish, you may leave her with us.
Kemudian Snow White berbicara.
Oh, could I? Thank you.
Nah, akhirnya Snow White menceritakan semua kejadian yang dia alami dan Snow White dan para 7 kurcaci itu bahagia setelahnya.
Okay, I see. Thank you. Big applause for Rizky's group. Okay, you may sit down. Thank you, Rizky. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So by listening Rizky's group story, yeah, by retelling the story, now actually you have already understood the whole story. Ya, walaupun tadi memang menggunakan bahasa Indonesia, but it comprehend your reading skill. It means you have already understood the whole story, memahami ceritanya. That is the basic. Kalau kalian ingin memahami teksnya harus mengerti dulu ya bahasa Indonesianya seperti apa. Mungkin seperti itu. Ya, next. Wants to present? Okay, Peter, please come forward. Okay, who wants to hold the stick? Okay. Oh, only three
Yes.
members. Okay, yeah, it's okay.
Good morning, everyone. So now we would like to present about the social function and the generic structure.
Before that, we have to introduce ourselves. I'm Rina.
My name is Peter,
My name is Claudius Konita.
and the social function is to entertain the reader with an imaginary fantasy character and story. For the generic structure, the first paragraph is orientation, and the second until the fourth paragraph is complication, and the fifth until the seventh paragraph is resolution.
Okay, yeah.
So that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Is there any question for the generic structure? Is the social function correct? What do you think? To entertain, right?
Yes.
To entertain.
Yeah.
All of you the same, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Jadi untuk menghibur, entertain is menghibur. Or you can write to amuse. Yeah, it is the same words with the same meaning. Yeah. How about the generic structure? The first one, first paragraph,
Orientation.
orientation. Yeah. What you have already found. Is anybody know what is orientation? In part of orientation, the text tell us about what? Ya, oke, pengenalan cerita, latar belakang. It usually contain 5W1H kalau bahasa Indonesia. If in English, what, who, when, where, why, and how. It's contain the background, siapa karakternya, di mana terjadinya, dan kapan. Itu yang biasanya sering muncul. Kemudian complication. What is complication?
Masalah.
Okay, the problem. Yeah, the problem start and the problem finish with complication. And then the last one, what is it again?
Resolution.
Resolution. Good job. Yeah, what is resolution?
Problem solving.
Ya, penyelesaian masalah atau it's come to cool down the story. Mulai menemukan solusi. Ya, jadi seperti itu. Oke, is there any other addition? Ada yang mau menambahkan? Tidak ada? Oke, big applause for Peters. Oke, thank you. Oke, the last one. Ya, tadi sudah menceritakan kembali, sudah menceritakan ulang. Kemudian sudah menemukan generic structure-nya. The last one I think we haven't found is, what is it? Linked features. Who want to try it? Okay, Davas group, please come forward. Yeah. Okay, Dava, you can hold the magic stick. Okay.
My name is Praditya
Good morning.
Good morning. My name is Praditya Putra Pratama. My name is Muhammad Dava Bausubradana.
My name is Ardita Cahya.
My name is Safirananta.
Today we will presenting the language feature of
Snow White. The first one is the past tense. The past tense is there lived a little girl named Snow White. Snow White didn't want Snow White didn't want her uncle. She heard her uncle. She saw a little cottage.
2. Action verb. Olive, Harold, Dean, wanted, ran away, knocked, found.
Okay, please louder, Dava and Praditya,
Oh, the, okay.
so we can hear your voice.
Okay, back the past tense. First, there is live a little girl named Snow White. Snow White didn't want her uncle, and she heard her uncle. She saw a little cottage.
2. Action verb. Live, heard, Dean, wanted, ran away, knocked, found.
Direct speech is the dwarf said, "What's your name?" Snow White said, "My name is Snow White."
The time conjunction is once upon a time, one day. Meanwhile, then, finally. The pronoun is she, he, they, I, and you.
Okay, that's all.
Yes.
Okay, so is there any question for Dava's group? No. So what kind of language features they have already mentioned? One, past tense, yeah. Action verb, direct speech. Okay. There are 5 time conjunction, and the last one is pronoun. Yeah. Okay. Good job. Thank you, Dava's group. Big applause for them. You can go back to your seat. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, finally, we have already completed the findings about our narrative text. So there are a lot of things that we have already learned from the text. Jadi tadi kita mempelajari banyak hal, kita menemukan bahwa teks naratif tadi memiliki apa? Strukturnya? One, orientation, complication, resolution. Ya, good job. Ya, itu adalah struktur dari teks naratif. Kemudian the last one tadi adalah language features atau ciri kebahasaan. Setiap teks itu memiliki ciri kebahasaan yang membedakan dengan teks lainnya. So let's see here. Ya. We'll continue. Ya, we will try to conclude. Kita akan menyimpulkan ya tadi ya. Kalau tadi sudah menemukan generic structure dan language features-nya. So what is narrative text? Pengertian naratif text. Siapa yang bisa? Praditya mungkin? You want to try? Pengertian naratif text. Okay, no? Okay, Rizky, please. Okay.
To write imaginary story,
Yeah.
to tell, to entertain the readers.
Okay, so a text who tell us imaginary story or fictional story, ya, the purpose is to entertain. Ya, tadi tujuannya untuk menghibur. Jadi sebuah teks fiksi atau khayalan, dongeng yang bertujuan untuk menghibur siapa? Pembaca, the reader of course, bukan menghibur diri sendiri ya. Nanti menghibur diri sendiri kayak apa ya? Merasa sedih seperti itu ya, bukan ya. Oke. So, kalau itu adalah sebuah dongeng, khayalan dan fiksi, can you make one of the things around you? Ya, apakah bisa membuat teks naratif dari benda-benda di sekitar kalian? Bisa. Ya, for example, you can use like book, ya. I have the magic stick here and talking to the pointer. Yeah. Hello, pointer. What are you doing? So it's like the text and the dialogue combined. It will become narrative text. Yeah, because I made the text myself. Paraka membuat teksnya sendiri berdasarkan khayalan sendiri. Ya, jadi narrative text is easy to be written. You just need your imagination. Kalian hanya membutuhkan imajinasi. And I need to show you something, ya. Jadi, teks naratif yang kita baca tadi tentang Snow White itu genrenya apa?
Fairy tale.
Yeah, the genre is fairy tales. But fairy tales is only one genre. There are a lot of genre of narrative text. Please take a look at this. Yeah. There are folk tales. Folk tales is cerita rakyat. Legend, legenda. Ya, like Sangkuriang, Malin Kundang, dan sebagainya. Fable. Fable is narrative text about animal. It's not only animal. It can be plants or things like pointer and magic sticks. It fable. Myth, mitos. Ya, it berhubungan dengan magic biasanya. Kemudian mystery. Mystery is detective story. Science fiction, it related with science. Misalkan cerita di luar angkasa, film, dan sebagainya. Romance, like Romeo and Juliet. Horror, have you ever read the horror story? Yeah, it's one of your favorite, I think. Yeah, history, lot of history, I think. Slice of life, yeah, it almost the same with recount, almost. But recount doesn't have dialogue inside the text. But if you put dialogue, it will be narrative text. So that you have to remember. Yeah. Okay. Now the generic structure, if you have already mentioned 3, I will add 1. Pak Raka tambahkan 1 lagi, yaitu reorientation atau biasanya disebut coda. Ya, jadi ini jarang memang dalam teks, tapi reorientation itu artinya adalah apa kemarin? Moral value, pesan moral. Ya, tapi biasanya penulis tidak menuliskan ini, jarang sekali. You or the reader usually write them down. Okay, so this is the generic structure, and the last one is language features. I think you have already mentioned all of them. The most, appeared, yang paling mencolok dari teks naratif tadi, ada dialognya atau direct speech, and the last one is past tense, menggunakan tenses masa lampau, ya masa lalu atau masa lampau. Itu yang harus kalian ingat. Kalau ketemu jenis teks ini ada dialognya, menggunakan past tense, bukan recount pastinya, pasti narrative text. Okay, is that easy? Okay, I think that's all for today's lesson. Is there any more question? Ada pertanyaan? Is it easy? Okay, yeah, I think it's very easy, but I don't know if you do the quiz later. Yeah, so after this, I will send you a link. Yeah, after this, I will send you a link. You will do it on your WhatsApp group. Yeah, please do the evaluation using Google Form. Yeah, but I haven't sent it to you later. Yeah, and remember, next week we will continue our discussion of narrative text, and I will play you a movie. We will watch a movie together next week. Okay, so prepare yourself. Okay, thank you for today, and see you next meeting. Goodbye. Okay. Ya, please wait ya. Oke, terima kasih ya. Bisa bergeser. Oke, Bu Yuri sudah selesai, Bu?
Ya, Pak Raka. Baik, Pak Raka. Terima kasih atas presentasinya pada hari ini. Untuk komentarnya nanti Pak Raka ya, pada saat kita refleksi saja.
Ya,
baik,
terima kasih.
Sekali
Bu.
lagi saya ucapkan terima kasih, dan setelah ini saya langsung live juga menuju presentasi berikutnya. Itu saya rasa Pak Raka.
Oke.
Sekali lagi terima kasih.
Ya, terima
Sudah
kasih Bu Yuri.
presentasi
Mungkin
dengan
nanti
bagus.
bisa membantu menyampaikan ke Pak Zul. Sudah saya akhiri.
Ya, sama-sama Pak Raka.
Ya. Okay, thank you. Good morning, Bu Yuri.
Saya langsung live ya. Untuk komentarnya nanti ketika refleksi begitu Pak Raka.
Oke. Ya, Bu Yuri, terima kasih.